So considering, what's going on, the theme and the message of Unite and the work that we need to do, it popped into my head. There's 3 types of people in the world, right? Those that make things happen, those that watch things happen, and those that wonder what the hell just happened. But the cool thing is we get to choose. It's not something you're one of the watchers, right? You're a wonderer. You're wondering what's going on. And you're one to make it happen. You're not designated. You get to choose which category you can place yourself in.
I want to make it happen.
Exactly. We want to make it happen, right? There's far too many people wondering what's going on, and they're waiting for somebody else to come in and do the work for them. But it's up to us. We got to have skin in the game. We're going to have a little discussion.
Yeah, real quick.
And he's going to make an announcement. Look at all this.
Awesome.
Surprise!
So y'all, since it seems to be a lot of apathy in Bakersfield, and not too many people showed up today, which is, hey, it is what it is. Some people, we have hundreds have shown up, and some we have 50, and some we have a few, right? It is what it is. But as a surprise to you, since all of you actually are here and showing up, we have brought you an amazing layout, a beautiful dinner here, just for you guys, because you showed up. So what we're going to do, Robert online, we're going to take a 5-minute break so they can have an opportunity to get their plates, come back to your seat, and you can enjoy eating while we're having a conversation with you. You good with that?
Yeah, thank
Good.
you.
So Robert, take a 5-minute right now. Thank you.